Hey guys, welcome to Cooking, and today we are making grilled chicken tacos. Super yummy and super easy. Let's get started. So in a mixy bowl, take 4 cloves of garlic, take a bay leaf, some cumin seeds, add 20 to 25 black pepper and 20 to 25 dry red chilies. If you don't have this, you can use chili powder also. Add some lemon juice to it. Add some olive oil and salt. Add some oregano. Oregano, add very little. You can even skip it, but it gives a great taste, so add it. So after grinding for some while, I added half lemon and some coriander powder to it and grind it again. Now take the chicken, preferably take boneless and skinless chicken, and add the paste to it and massage it really well in the chicken. Use your hands for it, it will be good. Add some cornstarch to it. This will keep the coating on. A very little cornstarch. Now you can either grill it on a griller or add some oil and put it on a skillet. Depends on your choice. So here I'm grilling it. Once it grilled, just cut it into small pieces. Here I'm making the fresh pico. Add onion, tomato, cilantro, avocado, salt and lemon juice to it. Mix it and keep it aside. This will be our fresh salsa and very mild because there is no spice to it. So this is the fresh pico with avocado. This tastes really good with grilled chicken. Heat up some tortillas. I just grilled the tortillas also. Add the grilled chicken. I've cut the chicken into small cubes or small pieces. Add the fresh pico to it. Your taco is ready. You can eat as is, or you can add in some spicy salsa also to it. For salsa recipes, you can check my other videos and enjoy. Please do like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.